everyone, it's Marion from intoBodmin. Just want to share another really simple idea with you for how to create a window wonderland at home this year. This is a great one to do with the family, so I've got myself a little helper today. And yeah, the first thing you need to do is just decide which window you're going to decorate. Remember to choose one at the front of your property because you want people to be able to see your display when they walk past. And the first thing you need to do is just measure up and cut out 2 pieces of greaseproof paper, well 2 in our case, you might have more or less, but pieces of greaseproof paper to cover the panes of glass on your window. You might need to stick a couple of bits together like I've done here. So yeah, once you've done that, that's your background, that's what you're going to work on. You're just going to do a design in pencil and then paint it to fill it in. Okay, so you can do a lovely colourful design with this one and it's really simple to do. With your paint, you can use any paint. Watercolour is fine, acrylic paint, poster paint. If you're using a thicker paint like acrylic, just water it down quite a bit so that it doesn't look opaque when you put the light on the window from outside. You want to see some of the colour coming through, so just put a good splash of water in with each paint and mix it up so it's nice and liquid when you put it onto the paper. We're going to do an underwater theme, aren't we? That's what we've chosen, because for Window Wonderland you can do whatever you want, anything goes, just have fun with it. And yeah, we're going to put our design together now and show you what we're going to do. So once you've finished painting your design, you can wait for it to dry, and then I think we're going to go around all of ours with a black marker pen just to sort of make the outline stand out a bit more, but that's entirely up to you. And then just pop them in your window with some tape or blue tack and backlight them. So use a desk lamp or some fairy lights so that the window's lit from behind, and then outside you'll get a lovely colourful glowing effect. So we'll finish these off now and we'll show you what they look like after dark.